Hello everyone. I am Abdul Sahil Mohammed. I am gonna explain the Module 2 assignment, which is article analysis and presentation. IT government security. Choose an article, security threats in IoT technologies. In the 2023 article security threats in IT technologies, Delfuza Vesivia deals with some article security challenges concerning the Internet of thing technologies, especially considering their implementations and in automation and industrial applications. IoT is a network of interrelated devices that, through communication and interaction with data, is among these fastest developing technologies. It is being used not only for consumer purpose but also for industrial ones. In this regard, it is true that as the multiplicity of IoT technologies develops in every day in business life, so does a set of serious security concerns given to data processing, CPS and CBPS. The article begins with the core and vulnerabilities inherently part of any IoT system, whose interconnectedness often both at a physical and network level is so silent. All these enlisted and vulnerabilities result from different security threats, including cyber attacks such as denial of services, which is interfere with services and may affect data disclosure. Vesiva draws special attention to unique security concern in IT automation, where real-time operations are highly important and have to guarantee reliability and stability. In particular, these systems show high sensitivity to disturbances, and any security infrastructure failure may result in serious consequences. Most of the articles focuses on all those layers that constitute the architecture of the IoT physical devices, communication infrastructure, and data system processing system. Vasiva to 2023, building on this, Vasiva discusses how security can be fused into each layer to prevent any breach. The various layers include the use of physical security measures, secure communication protocols, and strong data processing applications to protect the information from any internal or external threat. Another aspect the article has tried to reflect is various mitigation strategies for IoT security risks. This includes the integration of robust authentication mechanism, encryption techniques, and most importantly, constant monitoring of the IoT system to detect and respond to malicious activities in real time. Vasiva has pinpoint that with the ever-growing complexity and scale of IoT networks, especially in industrial and automation sectors, proactive security measure will be necessary. Addressing these security threats will make IoT system more secure, reliable, and resilient, enabling them to meet the strict demand of modern automation and industrial applications. I have mentioned the link below that. And the second option, the second point is application to model concept. Dilfizusa Vesivia's article Security Threats in IT Technologies prescribe the state of vulnerability and mitigations in IoT system, especially in automation and industrial application. The main themes of this article fully correspond to several critical concepts included in Model 2 IT governance. Cybersecurity measures assurance of data quality and regularity compliance. The article is quite instructive with real world examples and theoretical frameworks for insight into these areas. Hence, it helps us DS build on how best to protect and manage IoT efficiency. IT governance and security network framework. Vasiva's research on IoT Vesiva research in IoT on IoT security points out the necessity of IT governance or the policies, organizational procedures, and controls that provide the basis for making an organization IT infrastructure secure, reliable, and consistent with the business objectives. This article identifies that only an end-to-end approach towards security will be effective throughout the IoT and architecture, from physical devices to communication network down to data. and processing systems. This is also in line with the principles of IT governance discussed within the module, which call for proactivity regarding risk management and security. Vasiva paid attention to such notions as cyber physical system and cyber physical protection systems based on IoT technologies. The highest integration of physical and digital components of real-time mission critical functions is typical for these systems. Further, the article underlines a need of governance framework able to secure security, to able to ensure security across layers of connectivity, corresponding to a module emphasis on the alignment of IT strategies with organizational goals and consideration of emerging risks via governance. Security measures online. Cyber security is one of the main themes in this article. Certainly, the paper focuses on safeguarding IoT networks against certain serious threats, such as DOS attacks. Vasiva covers security layers in the IoT architecture, devices, communication infrastructure, and data processing applications. Security strategies relevant to each are sketched out. This reflects key concepts of cybersecurity found in Module 2 network security, encryption, authentication, and monitoring. The article, for example, highlights secure communication protocols and monitoring as a part of the best practices that prevent unauthorized access and information breaches. These strategies reflect the cybersecurity measures discussed in the module, which talk about building about robust defenses against cyber threats in an increasingly connected, digitized world. The key focus of the article on security and IoT automation befits the module discussions on integrating security into the design and operation of digital systems. Vasiva presents the need of real-time and high reliability fault tolerant systems, liking theoretical framework cybersecurity to practical necessities for IoT system to function securely and effectively in truly critical environments. Data quality and privacy concerns. Another important aspect is data quality, which the article and module have discussed. Vasiva's IoT system generated volumes of information that need to be processed, analyzed, and safely stored. Their quality is to pivotal is making sound decisions since most are automated in or industrial. Vasiva also enlists robust applications for data processing, which is close enough to the closely related concept of module data quality. Indeed, secure, accurate, and timely data is the base for the integrity of IoT system. Even minor disruptions may become substantial operation risk. The security threats also points out digital privacy in such environments which where sensitive data is being collected and processed by IoT devices. This relates to the emphasis of the module on the essence of digital privacy and its regularity framework supporting to the protection of personal and organization data. It requires that possibility of data breach in IoT system should not be preclude efficient privacy protection measures such as data encryption and access control regulation against unauthorized disclosure of sensitive information. Tello 2023. Regulatory compliance. The emphasis the article places on security measures in the context of IoT system can also relate to the concept of regulatory compliance covered in Module 2. With the continuous evolution and expansion of IoT technologies, companies must ensure that their system do not violate relevant laws and regulations concerning the data protection and cybersecurity. In this line, Vasiva's discussion on security in IoT system points out the need for compliance with regulations that protect individual privacy and organization integrity. In a nutshell, the article may Vesiva is about applying many concepts tackled in Module 2 in real life, such as IT governance, cybersecurity, data quality, and regularity compliance. Provided examples of IoT security challenges and solutions will give insight into how these theoretical frameworks could be applied to mitigate IoT technologies risk. I have mentioned the references below in the slide. That's all from my side, and thank you very much.